Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this makeup look for you. It's like a natural, summer, glowy, kind of bronzy makeup. It's really easy, really simple. You can do it every day if you want to. I mean, I don't because I just really don't care. I would put this makeup on to leave the house if I left the house all the time. If you guys like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below. And make sure you subscribe because we're so close to 5,000 and I'm doing a giveaway. And if you want to comment down below what I should give away, please keep it budget friendly because I'm broke. Then that would really help me out because I really don't know what to give away. But either way, if you want to see my makeup look, how I got it, then please just keep on watching. Okay, so I already primed my face and I used the Maybelline Master Prime in Blur and Smooth. I just like to do that like a little bit before I start like my face makeup because it just makes it like go on better. I'm just gonna get my hair out of my face. So during like the hotter months, I like to use things that have SPF in them, and it has SPF 30 in it, and I just like to do that just as like an extra step because you need to protect your skin. I also really like the It Cosmetics CC cream that also has SPF in it, but that's also super expensive. And this one I think was literally $8. So we're using this one. The next thing I'm going to be doing is putting on some concealer, and I've been using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer lately. And I'm in the shade Light 18 and I really love it. I think it works so well and it's literally $6. There's no reason to get anything else or use anything else, especially if you use a lot of concealer. Like, it's such a money saver. And now I'm just going to blend it out with my beauty blender. Usually I won't really use concealer on an everyday basis. If anything, I'll just slap on that Maybelline BB cream and like set it obviously, and that'll be it for like coverage. But I'm just gonna go that extra step today. I like to use as little products as possible during like hotter months because like it's so uncomfortable to have like a cake face when it's so hot out. This isn't bad because that BB cream is so thin. The next thing I'm going to use is this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toast, and I'm going to cream contour with it a little bit. I'm not going to do a ton, and then I'm going to take a brush and blend that out. Now I'm going to set it because I look like a grease ball, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Powder in the shade 05 Fair. Closest thing they have to translucent. It has no flashback. This is like the best powder that you could get for your money because I don't remember how much it was, but it was way cheaper than like anything at Sephora. Bake under my eyes and around my nose because they always crease there, and my chin, and then I'll just set the rest of my face normally with the brush. I'm actually gonna bake my smile lines as well because those crease like real bad. The reason that I use so many cream products during the summer is I feel like it just like keeps my face a little bit more hydrated than if I was to just use powders. So yeah, I just really don't like powders because my face is so dry. I'm going to be taking my Anastasia contour kit in the shade Light to Medium. Take some of the banana shade and I'm just going to put it like right in the crevice of my under eye because that's where it's darkest. I'm going to contour and I'm going to take the shade right here. I keep covering the mic. Now I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And now I'm going to be taking this blush from Tarte. It's called Party. I got it in like that birthday thing from Sephora last year. I'm going to do highlighter after to my eyes. I'm going to be dipping into the Carly Bible and BH Cosmetics palette right now, and I know they don't sell this anymore, but All the colors in here are pretty neutral, and the ones I'm going to be using are neutral, so you can find them in anything. So I'm just going to be taking this orangey shade right here. I really love doing like orange eyes during the summer because I feel like it just complements like tan skin so well. Not that I'm tan, but I'm going to be taking this brush and I'm going to be dipping into this really dark brown right here. It's like almost black, it's so dark, but I'm going to be smoking that on my lash line. I'm more focusing it on like the outer part of my eye. I love to do that just because it's so easy to do and it's so much quicker than eyeliner. But I'm just going to take that orange shade again and smoke on my lower lash line. I'm just going to brush out my eyebrows because I don't really like to fill them in on a daily basis. Because I just don't feel like I need to. But if you want to do your eyebrows, if you like need to, then just do them whenever you want. But now we're going to do highlighter and I'm going to be really glowy. I used up these two shades completely and I'm so upset that they don't sell it anymore because these were my favorite highlighters, like ever. So I'm just going to mix these two. Now I'm going to go put on some mascara and I'll be right back. I just took my hair out and I had put some mascara on, and the mascaras I've been using are L'Oreal Telescopic, and I use this one first for lengthening, and then I'll use the Essence Volume Stylist Curl and Hold Mascara to thicken, obviously volume, and I think the combo of them works pretty well. But now we're going to do lips, and I'm taking this MAC lipstick in the shade Angel. I'm not putting on lip liner just because I don't feel the need to do that with a nude lip. But if you want to, go ahead. And then I'm going to be taking this Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Look at how much is left. It's literally like to here. Can you see it? Yeah. I clearly hate this stuff. And now I'm going to be setting my face, and I'm using this e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. I think it costs like $5. So anyway, this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you like how it turned out. It's super simple and quick. Obviously you can spruce it up and like maybe put on some falsies or maybe put on a bolder lip, or I don't know. The point of it is to be a natural summer glowy bronzy makeup look. I hope you liked it. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down below. Very close to hitting 5,000 and I'm doing a giveaway. I don't know what yet. You guys can like comment down below and give me ideas on what to give away. Please keep it budget friendly because I'm broke. Thank you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!